So hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to increase and decrease the size of an input field in strapi admin panel. So right over here, you can see I have this content manager called author, and here I have few fields. One is name, email, and article. These three are text field, and one is image field. So let me show you how you can increase or decrease the size of this field. So just click on this content type builder, go to the author, and here you can see all these fields are listed. Just click on configure the view, and here again click on this pencil icon. You can see the default size is 50% and 33, there is 33%, 66% as well. So unfortunately there is no you cannot mention a custom size, just these predefined size. So let me make it 66% and click on finish. Now again go to the author, and you can see it is taking 66% of the entire of the width. So similarly, you can also make this image wide as well. Let me do this. Go to the author, click on configure the view, and here is avatar. If you click on this, you can make it 66% as well. Now you can see we have successfully increased the size of these two fields. Similarly, you can also do for these two fields as well. And one more thing I want to show you. See here, we are seeing the title, right? The title of the article. So you can also change this. If you don't like the article, you want to see the name of that particular article or slug. So let me see what are the options available. Go to the content type builder again, and again go to the author. Inside author, click configure the view, and here you can see the article is in relational field. So right now we are seeing the title. If we say the slug, so and click on finish, and see here in the drop down, if the title is not displaying right now, we are seeing the slug. So this is word. Okay. So now we are seeing the slug. This is important. So if you want to see the updated ad or created ad or anything, you can just change it. Remember that you can see that in content type builder and author, click configure the view, and then click on your relational field, whatever you name it. You can see you can also increase the size of this as well. So that's it. We have this, and one more thing we can do is we can make this field so one more thing, if you want this, if you don't want this field to be editable like this, so you can also change it from here. Go to the again content type builder, configure the view, and right now you can see the articles. So just click on this false and click on finish. Yes. Now go to the author, click on it. Now you can see this is not editable anymore, and now you cannot change this add or remove the relational from here. One more thing I would like to show you that you can also add description and placeholder. So let me also show you. If you go here, author, configure the view, and change. Now click on here. You can see this is a placeholder. This is a description. Now let's see. So you can see this is the placeholder and this is the description. So that's it.